ka rin bang content creator na nagsisimula pa lang? Dapat alam natin ang community standards ni Facebook. Ngunit paano nga ba natin ito mas higit na maintindihan kung ito ay nakasulat sa wikang Ingles? Tara, Tagalogin natin. Open mo yung profile mo, click yung tatlong guhit na nasa itaas, click Professional Dashboard, and then scroll down, click Creator Support, and then Monetization. Click mo yan, yung may $sign. Punta ka sa Policy Guidelines. After that, Partner Monetization Policies. Ayan, hintayin lang natin. And then, scroll down. Hanapin mo yung Follow Our Community Standards. Yung naka-underline, i-click mo, Community Standards. And then, yung nasa itaas na language. Scroll down mo lang, hanapin mo at piliin yung Filipino. So, ito na po yun. Maaari mo na siyang basahin at mas maintindihan in Tagalog version. Thank you for watching. Follow MCS Room for more.